Let's make taco bowls that are packed with protein and fiber. I'm gonna start with a package of this beef taco filling. Don't judge me, it was on sale. You're gonna break it up with one of these handy dandy meat mallets. If you don't have one, please buy one. I'm gonna use some of these seafood mushrooms because they're cheap. There's a lot of grease in this beef, so you're gonna brown the meat and then drain that grease out. I'm gonna use a can of corn, a can of black beans, and then these chopped mushrooms that I accidentally poured all over my oven. Make sure you make a mess when you're cooking, otherwise it won't taste as good. Saute all of these things together, and then you're gonna add a can of Rotel. I really like the colors of this dish too, they're so pretty. Next is some organic baby spinach. Just plop in a couple fistfuls. Gently mix it in, and then once the spinach is wilted, it's gonna look like this. You can add rice if you want to. I didn't eat rice with mine, but my fiance is obsessed with rice, so this is his bowl. It also makes a lot of food, so it's great for leftovers. And you know I'm gonna have to top it with cheese because cheese is my favorite. Thanks for watching.